Good morning. On today's very interesting video, I want to show you how to change the way your pins look like on your documents after you staple them. Once you staple your document, how does your pin look like? The staple pins, how do they look like when stapled on those documents? So there are two ways. The standard one that everybody prefers or uses is when once you staple, the pins are more closely knit together, like on the document. On the stapled side and on the back side, the pins are closely knit together. But I want to show you the different ways that you can change how your pins appear on the stapled documents. So this is a standard stapler. Let me show you the most common way, the most commonly used. Sorry, it's failed quite a bit. There's some issue there, so you just push the pins a little so that it will staple. So this is a standard stapler. Yeah, it's now working. So once you staple, let's use this serviette as our demonstration. For our demonstration, you see how the pin looks like? This is the standard way. This is how most people love their pins looking like on those documents. But there is a second way that you can prompt your stapler. You see, this is the standard way. So once you staple, the pins are closely knit together on the edges on both sides. But you see, beneath the stapler, there is some little button over there that you can press. And most people are not aware of this, or they just don't know what that is. Once you press that, you see that silver platter over there, that silver little place, the landing of the staples, you see? So when you press that little button at the back or at the bottom, that little silver platter moves. And you can press it in and then press it back. So once you press that, so you rotate it. You rotate it. So you're able to rotate it. You rotate the silver thing over there. And then you bring it all the way to now the second place or the second design where you can, if you prefer this, it's not common, most people don't, but if you prefer this other way of let's press that. You see, when you press that, it goes in and out. So if you prefer the other design of the staples, the second design of the staples on your document, so that's how you do it. You just press that button and then you rotate the silver landing, the silver, allow me to call it platter. So once you rotate it, let's see the second design of the pins. So when you staple your document, now it will look different from the standard common way. And that is how it will look once you rotate the landing or the platter where you staple your documents. So the first one, you can see they are very different. On the front, they all look the same, but on the back, they are different. So the first one and the third one, you can see that is the rotated pin, the rotated result. After the rotation, that's the result. The middle one is the standard one. It's the most common, but these two, not many people use those, probably because they are not aware or they just don't like when the pins look more straight like that. So let me display the pins for you. This is the second option where the pins are more straight, and then you see that's the second option. Then let's look at the first option. So that's the second option after the rotation. Then we have the first option before the rotation. Remember, saying before or after the rotation depends on where your stapler is currently set. So this was the first one that we had, the original and most common one. So you can see on the silver platter, there are two designs. So that is what brings to the end result of the different kinds of staple designs on your paper. I hope this video is helpful. You can give it a try if you have access to a stapler somewhere. You can give that a try. And as we say, we learn every day. And probably this is not your first time to hear this. And for yet another person, this is the first time they could be learning about this. So that's how you change those designs so that you can go with your most favorite one. Thank you so much for watching. And as you can see, that is the standard stapler, and those are the pins. And the silver landing down there, that is where you change how your pins will look like on your document. Remember, you press that silver thing from below the stapler. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, we just do these videos just to keep learning something every other time. And I really appreciate your support. And as always, I'll do my best to bring you more every week. Thank you.